Dear students and educators, in this video, we will take a look at top online educational resources. Considering the current situation, the MHRD, UGC and its inter-university centers, IUCs, have taken several initiatives so that students can continue their learning process at their home through online learning platforms. 1. Swayam. Swayam is a program initiated by Government of India, offering the best learning resources free of cost to students without any registration. The courses hosted on Swayam are in 4 quadrants. 1. Video lectures. 2. Downloadable and printable reading materials. 3. Tests and quizzes. And 4th, discussion forum. 2. EPG Pathshala. EPG Pathshala offers interactive e-content in 70 subjects across all disciplines including social sciences, arts, humanities, mathematics, fine arts, sciences, etc. Students get access to 23,000 interactive modules. 3. Swayamprabha. Swayamprabha is a group of 32 DTH channels devoted to telecasting high-quality educational programs. The contents are provided by NPTEL, IITs, UGC, CEC, IGNOU, NCERT and NIOS, covering various disciplines. 4. Shodh Ganga. This portal is useful for PhD and research students. It has a collection of around 260,000 Indian electronic theses and dissertations, ETDs. 5. eShodh Sindhu. The website provides access to bibliography, citations and factual databases in various disciplines along with 15,000 core and peer-reviewed journals from top publishers, colleges, universities and centrally funded technical institutions. 6. Vidwan. Vidwan involves the database of experts, scholars, prospective collaborators and policymakers that is highly useful for the research community. 7. NPTEL. One of the largest online repository in the world, offering courses in engineering, basic sciences, humanities, social sciences, etc. NPTEL's YouTube channel is one of the most subscribed educational channel with over 1.5 million plus subscribers and 404 million plus views. 8. NEAT AICTE. NEAT is an initiative of MHRD to provide a platform for learning of state-of-the-art technology areas through online products being offered by industry. 9. ELIS free courses. Number of companies have come forward to give their educational products for free of cost in the Corona lockdown period, and this platform is one of them. 10. Diksha. The Diksha platform offers content developed by experienced teachers of CBSE board, NCERT and state boards, with more than 80,000 ebooks available for 12th standard. 11. NROER. A repository of ebooks and e-courses has been developed by National Repository of Open Educational Resources, NROER. It has a collection of more than 14,000 files, including 3,000 documents, 1,300 sessions, around 1,600 audio files, and more than 6,100 videos. 12. ePathshala. This is an NCERT platform where students can read and download books from 1st to 12th standard free of cost. 13. IBM. IBM Training and Skill Organization is offering free courses during lockdown, which are designed to build valuable skills. 14. Tata Steel. Tata Steel is offering online courses open to all industry professionals. More than 25 courses are offered for only 1 INR in the lockdown period. Right now, valid till 30th April 2020. 15. eCBSE. Students can also read or download the CBSE study material for free from the official site of CBSE. The study material is available for all the classes from 1st to 12th. 16. Byju's. Byju's, the learning app, is the world's largest platform for school students with 42 million registered users. In the light of COVID-19, Byju's has started offering free live classes for students from 2nd of April onwards. 17. Harvard Online Courses. Harvard is offering a variety of open learning opportunities, including online courses and modules. With more than 67 free online courses, Harvard is the best option to enhance the skill in this pandemic time. 18. Khan Academy. It has a library of standards-aligned lessons covering kindergarten through early college math, grammar, science, history, SAT preparation and more. 19. Open Yale Courses. Open Yale Courses (OYC) provides lectures and other materials from selected Yale College courses to the public free of charge. 20. MIT Open Courseware. MIT Open Courseware is a web-based publication of virtually all MIT course content. 21. eGyan Kosh. eGyan Kosh is a national digital repository to store, index, preserve, distribute and share the digital learning resources developed by the open and distance learning institutions. 22. Vidyamitra, an integrated e-content portal developed by InflibNet Center, has more than 46,500 content files for undergraduate courses. These platforms are also offering huge number of free courses: Coursera, Udemy, Unacademy, Topper and Vedantu. ePrint Archives. Student can also access the open ePrint archives: ARXIV, Cogprints, HAL Open Archive. Free ebooks, Delnet Database, National Digital Library, eBooks Directory, BookBoom, Open Library, Project Gutenberg, Free Book Spot, ManyBooks, UNESCO Open Access Publications. YouTube platforms. A. CEC UGC YouTube channel. The CEC is one of the inter-university centers set up by the University Grants Commission of India. B. TTC Jodhpur. Polytechnic students can benefit from the 4000 e-lectures designed by TTC Jodhpur, which are available on its YouTube channel. C. RTU Quota. RTU Quota's official YouTube channel has been started to achieve academic excellence in technical education by imparting in-depth knowledge to the students. D. Education Online. Students can access the educational videos on different topics through our channel. Thank you all of you. Hope you find the information useful. Utilize your lockdown period with these online resources. In case if we have missed any resource, please mention in the comment section. Subscribe to our channel for future updates. Stay home, stay safe.